Welcome students to another episode of SD Maths class. After long days we are meeting at the YouTube video. So what we are discussing about, can you remember? Actually we are discussing about the AP, and I have told you that we will finish the chapter of AP today. That is what are left, that is only the sum portion, sum of the series. So there are two formulae of the sum of the series. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula, and another formula is n by 2 a plus l. L is the last term, a is the first term. When the last term will be given to you, then only you can use this formula, otherwise you have to use this formula. Actually for your syllabus I have seen that is there only the daily life application of the sum of the series, that problem, those are removed. So that doesn't mean that all the portions has been removed. The word problems are there, the ratio problems, and then you have to find the sum like that from the last, from the first, like that, those problems are there. Only the daily life applications has been removed. So let us do some examples here. First example, first of all I am giving you one series. Find the sum of first 20 terms of say 3, 9, 15, 21, this is the series. So we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. So that means n you know the number of terms. So here we have to find S20. So instead of n there 20 will be put. So this 2a, a means the first term, so 2 into 3 plus a you know that is here 20, so 20 minus 1, and d here 9 minus 3 or 15 minus 9 all are same, so d is here 6, so we are giving 6 here. So let us calculate this one. So it is coming 10, it is coming 6, and it is 114. Yes. So all total it is coming 120, so 1200. It is the sum of the series, not the total series, sum of the series up to the 20 terms. Now let us do some examples from your R.S. Agarwal book. So exercise 5C, R.S. Agarwal, page number 281. Page number can be matched with you because this is the new edition book. I don't know it will be matched or not. Just you will tally with the examples. So here the first example I like to do, it is 6(1). The sum of the first n terms of an AP is given. Find the nth term and the 20th term of this AP. So first of all it is given Sn equals to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. It is given. You have to find the nth term, that means you have to find Tn equals to how much. So first of all what you have to do, here this is given as Sn, but the general form of Sn is different. So we have to convert this into the general form of the AP. Sorry, not the AP, general form of the sum of the series. So I am just writing here Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this form we have to convert this one. So first of all just see n by 2 is there. So if we take n by 2 common from those two, so we are getting 5n plus 3. If you take n by 2 as common, so you are getting this one. After that we have to form this one. So for forming that one I like to do here, that is so students just see now, we have got n by 2 5n plus 3. Here this is the form. So 5n plus 3 means it is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here the coefficient of n is 5. Here if you just take this one, if you just break this one, then you will get the coefficient of n is d here. If you can't understand, then I am showing here, that is n by 2, keep it is as it is, 2a plus here nd minus d. So now n by 2, 2a minus d, 2a minus d plus nd. This is the form now. Just see here, 5n. 5n means the coefficient is 5. This 5 is d here. Because we have to get this one, only n is with d here, and here also n is with 5. So if we just compare those two, so we can get a d equals to 5. We are comparing like that. So 2a minus d plus nd equals to, or we are just taking like this, equals to n by 2 5n plus 3. Now comparing both sides, we can say here directly, that is d equals to 5. Okay, so nd equals to 5n. So from here d equals to 5. So when we are getting d equals to 5, another one what we are getting, 2a minus d equals to 3. This total part is equals to this part, and this total part is equals to this part. We have to compare those two. So 2a minus d equals to 3. Now put the value of d here. So 2a equals to 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So a equals to 4. Okay. So we have got the values of d and a. Now we have to find Tn. So Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a means 4 plus n minus 1 we don't know. D means here 5. So all total, if we calculate this one, so 5n minus 1 is the result. So the nth term is 5n minus 1. And another one they have, yes, 20th term. What is the 20th term of this equation? So now T20 it is 520 100, so it will be 99. So this is the total sum. This type of sum often comes at your board exam, so you have to prepare for those sums.